Globally headquartered in Newburyport, Massachusetts, Rochester Electronics is the world's largest continuous source of semiconductors. We are 100% authorized by over 70 leading semiconductor manufacturers, with more than 15 billion units in stock encompassing more than 200,000 part numbers. We provide the world's most extensive range of end-of-life and broadest range of active semiconductors. We are licensed to manufacture devices no longer produced by the original component manufacturer. As a licensed semiconductor manufacturer, Rochester has manufactured over 20,000 device types. With over 12 billion die in stock, Rochester has the capability to manufacture over 70,000 device types. With direct sales and support staff in all major markets, complemented by a network of regional and global authorized channel partners, we aim to meet your needs over the phone or via our e-commerce platforms anytime, anywhere. Rochester offers a full range of manufacturing services, including design, wafer storage, wafer processing, assembly, test, and reliability, providing single solutions through to full turnkey manufacturing, enabling faster time to market. Rochester is the semiconductor lifecycle solution. No other company compares to the breadth of our product selection, value-added services, and manufacturing solutions. Trust in Rochester. We keep your business moving.